Yun nga po, correction lang po, very, very slight. 22 years old na po ako. So, 22. Pero naging 21 dahil sa reversing aging na meron tayo. Later, ang ating product speaker will talk about the ating product po. No? But for now, I will share something that gusto ko marinig ng lahat. For what I'm going to talk about, supposed to be, mag-talk sana about 6 Ps, about ideas. So, ayun. Today, yun nga, sana 6 Ps or hindi yung share ka, pero mag-share na lang ako ng something na very, very important sa ating lahat. Dreams and freedom. Sa mga guests and sa mga leaders natin, no? Sino sa inyo ang still dreaming? Hala, ang galis, wala nang nangangarap. Or sino sa atin lahat ngayon ang may matatawag na freedom? Freedom. Kaya po mga tingnan ng freedom. Kasi, alam nyo, masashare ko lang, no? Lahat tayo nung bata tayo, when we were kids, we used to dream big. Mga bata tayo, lagi tayo, mahilig tayong mangarap, di po ba? Pangarap natin mag-travel the world, tulungan ng family natin, mabigyan ng magandang buhay, or bahay na lang ng ating mga magulang, ng ating pamilya, at mabuhay sa sarili nating terms. Pero as we grow up, no, as tumanda tayo, as we grow old each year, tumatama ang realidad, di ba? Andiyan ang mga bills, mga routines, mga responsibilidad sa buhay, na suddenly, yung mga pangarap natin sa buhay will just mawawala lang. Or minsan maramdaman natin, yung pangarap natin is just too far away para ma-reach. Di po ba? Nararamdaman natin yun. Umaabot tayo sa mga ganung sitwasyon. Yeah. So, that's when I met Three-Way na I had a lot of realizations ba na I would like to share. No? In Three-Way, it reminded me or niremind ako ng Three-Way na dreams doesn't expire. Ulitin nyo nga, dreams doesn't expire. At ang mga dreams natin, ang mga pangarap natin, it would just need the right environment if gugustuhin pa natin mabuhay ang ating mga dreams, ang ating mga pangarap. You know, i-share ko lang rin, no? Sa Three-Way, natutunan ko at naramdaman ko talaga na ang dreams or pag nangangarap tayo, hindi yung act of being childish, di ba? Dreaming is the blueprint ng ating freedom, ng kung anong gusto natin marating sa buhay. And sa ating mga first-timers, I would like to share na ang Three-Way or the right way, ang full name ng Three-Way, isn't just about the business. Hindi lang po tayo about the business, but I can say na Three-Way is about freedom. Diba? So, kanina tinanong ko lahat, sino ang may freedom na matatawag na freedom? Kasi, what freedom for me is, freedom is the way to live my life, di ba? To make choices without fear, di ba? To have time with the people that I love, you love, and the freedom to build that something really matters pagdating sa sarili natin, pagdating sa buhay natin, di ba? Tama po ba? Kasi freedom, hindi yan basta-basta makukuha, di ba? You know, pagdating ko sa Three-Way, marami akong na-realize, especially pagdating sa common people versus uncommon people. Di ba? May kita natin na pagdating sa common people, lahat sila nakakulong, lahat sila nakapreso, lahat sila nakatali. Hindi sa physical na kulungan, hindi sa physical na tali, hindi sa physical na chain, kundi sa sarili nilang mindset, kundi sa sarili nilang buhay. Kasi bakit? They lost the ability to dream. At nung nawala yung ability nila to dream, nawala na rin yung kakayanan nila magkaroon ng kalayaan sa buhay nila. So, di ba, ang freedom or ang kalayaan is hindi lang yan basta sa pera. Oo, masasabi natin na when you have money, you can buy anything, you can go anywhere, but still, freedom is not about the money. Freedom can also be means having the time for your family. Yung freedom mo na magkasama mo, pamilya mo, anytime that you'd like, di ba? Yung freedom mo na magkaroon ka ng peace of mind or peace of heart kung nasaan man ang pamilya mo, nasaan ka man, di ba? And the freedom to, or yung kakayanan, na piliin mo talaga kung ano yung gusto mo sa buhay. Kasi Reway is that kind of platform na nagbibigay sa atin ng ganong klaseng freedom. Pinapalagpakan natin lahat yan. Di ba? So sa ating mga current leaders, naunang mga leaders, and to our guests and first-timers, I would like to share na Reway is a platform and a system na hindi lang built, Hindi lang yan ginawa para sa success, hindi lang yan ginawa para sa pera. Reway is ginawa para sa isang transformation. Diba? Sa every week, every quarter, meron tayong training, testimonials, leadership journey, diba? Na makikita natin, maririnig natin, mararamdaman natin first hand na in Reway, mawitness talaga natin na freedom is possible. Magiging possible ang freedom or kalayaan only if we dare to dream again. Kasi, again, para saan pa ang buhay if you don't have a dream, di ba? Para saan pa ang buhay if wala tayong freedom or will na gawin ng isang bagay. And when we dream again, we also need to work for those dreams, di ba? Kasi ang dreams or ang pangarap can just become a dream without any action. And here in Reway, I would like to share na hindi lang tayo nag-chase ng money. We are not just chasing money here in Reway. Because we are building a life. Bumubuo tayo ng buhay natin, not just only for ourselves, but also for our loved ones, our family, our colleagues and friends na nagbibigay ng meaning and freedom sa mga buhay nating lahat. Diba? Here in Reway, para sa mga ating first-timers and guests, here in Reway, we do things na like we work, we learn, we grow, and we help each others grow. Diba? That can be also a definition of success na nagbibigay freedom sa ating lahat. Kasi freedom can have a lot of many meanings. Freedom can have a lot of many definitions. Pero para sa akin, freedom means gumigising ka sa araw-araw. Freedom means waking up every day with a purpose. May dahilan. Gaya ng doing the things that you love. Surrounded by the people who believe in your growth. Who believe in you. Who believes on the future countless possibilities na pwedeng mangyari sa buhay. Hindi lang basta gossip, hindi lang chismisan araw-araw, di ba? And for the people who dream again, who actually does something to do with those dreams, di ba? Talagang ginagawa ng paraan ang mga dreams. Sorry, nag-note ako kasi kanya talaga hindi ko alam man sasabihin. Hindi pa ako prepared din. So, ayun, di ba? Freedom is not being controlled by fear, di ba? Hindi tayo nababound sa what if ganito, what if ganyan. Natatakot ako kasi baka ganito, ganyan. It's not freedom. Kasi if we have those fears, talina kagad tayo. Hindi na natin kagad napupush through yung sarili natin on the things that we wanted to do, di ba? But as well, here at Reway, with those kind of fears, we put it aside and we replace it with guidance of vision, diba? It's important that when we have dreams, when we wanted to achieve our freedom, it is important that we are guided with our visions, with vision. So I'd like to thank my direct captain and sponsor, Timothy Pamo, Ms. Aurelis, for that very wonderful vision and dream building ahead. So, yeah. And, syempre, here in Reway, and freedom can means having the courage to lead, to build the others, and live lives, not just yours, but for everyone who's around you. So, para sa ating lahat ngayon na nandito, I would like to end my sharing for today na keep your dreams alive. Because dreams are not just fantasies. Dreams are plans waiting for action. And with Treeway, those plans can actually happen. Don't just chase success. Let us pursue freedom. Don't just dream for ourselves, but also dream for others too. Because in real way, or in the right way, when one person achieves freedom, we all rise together. Thank you.
Magaling. Ang ganda naman ang sinabi ni ni Jello. Ngayon, nagdi-dream ba kayo ngayon? Yes!